What is the correct way of passing parameters to Stats.Friedmanchisquare based on a data frame? I am trying to pass values to Stats.Friedmanchisquare from a data frame df that has shape 11, 17. This is what works for me, only for 3 rows in this example, which yields. However, the line of code is too long when I want to use all 11 rows of df. First, I tried to pass the values in the following manner. But I get. Second, I also tried not converting it to a matrix form, leaving it as a data frame, which would be ideal for me, but I guess this is not supported yet, or I am doing it wrong. Which also gives me the error. So, my question is, what is the correct way of passing parameters to Stats.Friedmanchisquare based on df? Or even using its df.as_matrix representation? You can download my data frame in CSV format here and read it using. Thank you for your help, smiley face. Solution. Based on Amy Tavrian at Vic's answers, please vote on them. The solution to my problem, based on the matrix representation of the data, is to add the asterisk operator defined here, but better explained here, as follows. And the same is true if you want to work with the original data frame, which is what I ideally wanted. In this manner you iterate over the data frame in its native format. Note that I went ahead and ran some to make tests to see which way is faster, and as it turns out, converting it first to a numpy array beforehand is twice as fast than using df in its original data frame format. This was my experimental setup. Which yields the following results.
The problem I see with your first attempt is that you end up passing one list with multiple data frames inside of it. The Stats.Friedmanchisquare needs multiple array underscore-like arguments, not one list. Try using the asterisk, /unpack operator to unpack the list. Like this.
You could pass it using the star operator, similarly to this.